Freedom in its most beautiful form, that is what the GLC has stood for since its launch in the fall of 2015. Like its predecessors, the SUV employs outstanding driving characteristics with spaciousness, practicality and comfort. In addition, the latest generation adds further advanced pioneering technologies, a distinctive design, connectivity and state-of-the-art infotainment. Overall, the GLC better demonstrates how brand safety and intelligent adaptability can effortlessly and elegantly be combined to achieve great success. The redesigned GLC SUV will celebrate its world premiere at the Geneva Motor Show in March and will go on sale in the US by late 2019. With its distinctive appearance, new operating system, innovative driver assistance systems and a new, enhanced engine, the GLC offers the best from the world of Mercedes-Benz. The exterior design captivates with its wide and sporty visual appearance. Muscularly sculpted surfaces and distinctive details such as the chrome elements, which now run from the front to the rear end, the redesigned headlamps and the heavily contoured radiator grille ensure a strong off-road character. The interior combines luxury and user-friendliness in an uncompromising way with a larger display. In addition, the latest generation of the Mercedes-Benz User Experience multimedia system impresses with intuitive and versatile operating options, such as touch and the optimized voice control system. The driver assistance systems were considerably expanded and complemented, and the GLC will also be equipped with a new 2.0-liter inline four-cylinder engine, with more output and greater efficiency. The GLC comes to the starting line with a new 2.0-liter inline-4 turbo engine, capable of 255 horsepower and 273 pounds-foot. The crucial feature of the M264 2-liter 4-cylinder engine from Mercedes-Benz is the increased output at significantly lower fuel consumption. In the GLC 300 and GLC 300 4MATIC, the M264 4-cylinder engine replaces the M274 predecessor engine. The new engine generation is a crucial component for reducing CO2 emissions and is a systematic advancement with regard to lowering consumption. The 4-cylinder engine is combined with 4MATIC all-wheel drive and the 9G TRONIC automatic transmission, which supports both a dynamic and a fuel-saving driving style. An SUV that lives up to its name, as usual, the GLC is convincing on almost any type of ground and in the most adverse weather conditions. The dynamic select system with expanded functions responds to the individual requests of the driver with regard to the handling and the requirements posed by the particular road conditions. The 4MATIC all-wheel drive has also been newly developed from the ground up. The three-stage design of Spanish pesetas with a wider spread now offers even more dynamics in the Sport and Sport Plus drive modes, once again proving the versatility of the GLC.